Ever wondered what goes inside a top-tier PC shop? Today, we're taking a full tour of Series Center computers to find out. Check out this display, which has a ton of earbuds ranging from Huawei and Apple and Beats earbuds, as well as the Sony XM5 headphones, with the iPad Pro being there and some Canon cameras, as well as some gaming and business laptops, as we can see here. Okay, coming right up. These are DJI phone gimbals. It's like a stabilizer for your phone camera so your video looks smooth. Once you try it, you'll never go back to using your phone only. This section of the store has mice from very known brands like Logitech, Microsoft, Lenovo, ranging from wireless mice and wired mice, as well as some external hard disks. This section has a lot of Skull Candy gaming headphones and Skull Candy wireless earbuds as well, and some TP-Link access points, network switches, network cards, network dongles and adapters, Wi-Fi mesh systems as well, and access points. This is the motherboard section. They have high-end motherboard models from Asus ROG, as well as MSI Tomahawk motherboards, as well as Asus stuff. And above you can see some all-in-one liquid coolers for your CPU so you can cool it efficiently. This is the peripherals section now. They have peripherals from HyperX as well as Razer and Logitech and SteelSeries right here. They have everything you need for gaming, like gaming microphones, gaming headphones, gaming mice, gaming mouse pads. Forgot to mention they have JBL gaming headphones and wireless headphones, and glorious Model O and Model D mice. This is the storage section. Here you can find NVMe SSDs, 2.5-inch SSDs. You can find some webcams here as well, Microsoft webcams and Logitech webcams. This is the dongle section here. You can find any dongle where you like in USB-C form, as well as DisplayPort cables. This is the GPU section. You can see some NVIDIA GPUs right here, ranging from the 5060 to the 5090. Okay guys, you're not going to believe what I just found. This is something seriously special. On the shelves here they have the super rare limited edition Asus ROG RTX 5080 and 5090 Dahab edition cards. I mean, these things are impossible to find. Look at this. The 5090 Dahab edition is going for a crazy 4000 JDs per card, and the 5080 is sitting at 1600 JDs. These aren't just graphics cards. These are collector's items. It's insane that they have them right here. Here are some of the business laptops that I've talked about, like the HP Elite as well as the Lenovo ThinkPads for businesses. They have Anker gadgets as well, ranging from cables, chargers, earbuds as well. Alright, That's all for the tour. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. And hey, if you need help planning your next gaming PC, I offer a professional service to build a personalized parts list and help you choose the best peripherals. You can reach out to my business email on the channel to learn more about my services.